Morning. So today is day 2 of our trip. Yesterday I was not able to shoot the outro video, but yes, today I will not forget. And after evening snacks we had dinner yesterday, and then we went off to bed really early because we have to get up early for a river rafting thing to do. So yes, good morning guys and welcome to our day 2 Kedarnath trip. Okay, in morning this place looks amazing. As you can see, the mountains just behind me. It's pretty much awesome, guys. So this is what we are having for a breakfast today. Along with that, we are going to get some coffee, and then we are about to leave for our next destination. That is for shut up. I forgot what I was going to say. So next destination is river rafting, and our car has been already arrived, and I'm seeing a monkey right on top of me, and it looks so freaking scary. I'm just going to show it to you. Oh my god, this looks scary. I'm really scared of monkeys, especially monkeys who are huge and looks like this. As you can see guys, we are leaving this resort and going for our water activity for today. And yes, we are sorry. So we are all set for doing river rafting. Yay! I must say to you guys that this thing, I am barely able to breathe. इतना टाइट लगा के रखा है. I'm terribly scared of this river rafting thing, but because of these people, I have to go for that.
We are not forcing you, Ash.
पैसे भरे हैं ना, मैं आऊँगी.
तेरा भरा ही नहीं हम लोगों ने पैसे.
This is the water, I mean the river where we are going to do the thing.
Raft.
Yeah, raft. Ka opinion batao for this.
So this is basically my third rafting, and the water does not look that scary, but we'll see what happens. Thank you.
I have a question for you guys. Can you tell me what you think about this river rafting and what are your feelings right now?
A bit mixed feelings. I can see that there are big
Stones, na?
I cannot say no.
Rapids.
Yeah,
They are called
those are
rapids.
rapids.
I thought stones she was talking about.
So I'm a bit scared, but let's see how it goes.
तुझं?
Experience after the ride. After the ride confirm देतो. आता तर काय नाही बोलू शकत. बघूया ह्याच्यानंतर देतो एक्सपिरियन्स.
Finally we are going to a river rafting का boat. उसको बोट ही बोलते हैं ना? हाँ. And guys, look at this beautiful view.
और 3 टाइम बोले गंगा मैया की जय की.
So we are finally done with the river rafting, and it was nice but really scary because we have to jump into water ऐसे ही. And I was
One
really
of the best
scared.
experiences I had while doing river rafting.
I would really recommend to do this activity in Rishikesh.
Yeah.
River rafting, it's really best. It was of 16 kilometers by the way.
It was fun
Nice,
throwing the girls in the water.
It was
Yes.
really scary. I was really scared at the time, but you will not drown for sure because
And please-
I don't know to swim.
Please face the camera. The bravest girl.
And she
Prasanna.
is the bravest from all of us. We had to pull her into river.
No. I wasn't. We did it all together.
What about you, Sagar? How was your journey?
Very best experience.
फोनमधून काढ.
what?
Exercise.
Exercise?
Hey.
होता है?
River rafting
River
experience.
experience. The water was very cold. मजा आलेला आहे, मजा आली.
And बोल.
आणि बस.
And the waves, not waves, what is क्या बोलते हैं ना, rapids. And the rapids, बापरे वो तो एकदम scary थे. मतलब लग जाती है, बहुत लग जाती है. But after when you are done with the journey, you are relieved that you did this activity, which was full of memories. Do come to Rishikesh for river rafting for sure. Alright, so guys, Asha want to share some reviews with you about this river rafting and the one he did in Himachal.
So the one I did in Himachal was good. The rapids were also good, but the one over here was really amazing. I really underestimated the river rafting experience. Looking at the water, I thought it will be very average, but the water was furious at us, and we just had a lot of ups and downs. To be very honest, it was a teamwork, and
Ganga Maya
yes.
ki.
Not that part. Yeah, that part was also fun, but the way we were thrown in the water and we had to swim together, and yeah, the rapids were amazing. So go for it.
क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ ना 16 किलोमीटर की राफ्टिंग होती है, 3 बीच फिनिश होता है. क्योंकि यहाँ से बस यहाँ से ऑफिस तक जाते हैं हम लोग.
तो आपका सर्विस, आपका कंपनी का नाम क्या है?
हमारा कंपनी का नाम है रोलर कोस्टर एडवेंचर.
ओके, किस पे वो कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं आपको?
रोलर कोस्टर के उस पर कर सकते हैं आप लोग.
किस
मेल
पे?
पे भी कर सकते हैं, मेल कर सकते हो, कर सकते हो.
आपका कुछ वो फ़ोन नंबर है कांटेक्ट करने के लिए?
नंबर भी है, कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर
बोलिए अगर पता हो तो.
9761 और 334410.
ठीक है, थैंक यू. सो दिस इज द गंगा रिवर. सो हमारे पाप तो धुल गए गंगा रिवर में जाके. 3 बार डुबकी मारी हम लोग ने पानी में. इट वाज वेरी स्कैरी. It was really scary when they push you into the water. So now we left for Kashi, and it's going to be like 200 kilometers from the place we are currently at, and we have got really good car. Let me show you. So this is our car space, and he's our driver, and he'll be riding us all the way from here to the Kashi location, and I feel it's going to be an adventure for all of us. है ना? Asher, look here. Alright. So I'll keep you updated about each and everything activity that I'll be doing on day 2. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So I've reached to this one location, and the name of the location is Prayag. And what is speciality of this location? Can you just tell me?
यहाँ पे 2 नदी का ये होता है, संगम होता है. एक भागीरथी नदी और एक अलकनंदा नदी. तो वही यहाँ पे पॉइंट है, तो देख सकते हो इंटरसेक्शन.
Okay, I was not knowing that much about this thing. So that is speciality about this place. This is the speciality about the place, and I'll just show you the view from my camera. Now we are having a pit stop at one restaurant, and it's like middle of nowhere. I'll just show you the view outside the restaurant. So we are having a food, and the taste is not so great. So there is the temple. As you can see, it's in the middle of river, right? This is a river, right? now we're almost reaching Kedarnath, our main destination. I think oh okay, like more 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours to go to reach our main location, that is Kedarnath. So let's see how it goes, and I think I'm going to stop recording for today now as I'm really tired. I just want to go to the hotel room and crash. So I hope you guys like this vlog, today's vlog, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Stay tuned for part 3. It will be coming up soon, and let's see what I do in the upcoming days for this trip. Alright,